Hey guys, so I'm going to be reacting to Rain AVG's another one of AVG's animations, Rain Tacos 2. Now I did that there's a part 2 to this, or it's just a different version. But let's get into it. It's finally here. Well, that's good. The button has arrived. Oh, she got the silver play. No way. No way. What? Well, congrats, Ava. Let's continue. Think about that. Oh, okay. So it's kind of like a anniversary with their celebration bid, kind of like that. God, it's so laggy. Stop. Happy 4th of July. This was on 4th of July. Oh God, it keeps lagging. Stop it. It keeps lagging. I don't know why. Oh God. Guys, it keeps lagging. Hold on. Oh, well, but it says the 5th of July. That's a little weird. So let's just continue. God, it's always lagging. I don't know why. Enjoy, and I will. It's raining tacos. Oh, it's taco. Oh, it's Grace. Don't know what that is. There's soap in your mouth and close it. It's kind of like it got redesigned. It's pretty cool. Raining tacos. Pep. Grace and Pep is honestly my favorite characters. Oh, you can eat lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos, yum 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 yummy yum. Could I still be a dream? Yum yum yum. Yeah. Hey. Was that Finn? Wait, did Finn already? Hold on. That was a fail. Fail. Come on, Finn. Yes! Finn is back! Thank God. Oh my God. I don't know who Finn is, but he's kinda cute, so yeah, let's go. Genevieve was in that one in the birthday day cat. That is Ava. Oh, it's Roxo and Jacob. Wait. Stop. God, it keeps lagging. It's also gonna go over and just again. Yep. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. Rep. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. Ooh, Roxo. It's raining tacos, raining soon. Whoa. Holy. Well, that's a lot of them. Okay. That was epic. I did just had so many characters. Hey, it's a silver play button. What? Hold on, there's Stop it. There we go. Now that was my reaction to Rain Tacos 2. It was epic. I love the redesigned characters, and congrats on the silver play button. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I hope you guys like my reaction. And I'll see you all in the next video. So see ya very soon. Get that rip.